Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 in the Allure specification. This is a one-owner car that comes with Peugeot's grip control. Now this gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside you've got 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that has DAB digital radio on it as well as full Bluetooth connectivity. There's dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and this car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.